Today we are building central ideas, very little tips. The first thing we need to think of is the organizing theme. In this case, it's going to be how we organize ourselves. And the focus we're going to give to it is from 9 to 10 years old. So the next step is to check on the definition of the organizing theme. In this case, the definition is interconnectedness of human-made systems and communities, structure and function of organizations, societal decision-making, economic activities and their impact on humankind and the environment. So what we do now is about each of them, we are going to decide what knowledge we will have to teach. To address interconnectedness of human-made systems and communities, we can deal with systems of transportation, communication systems, health system, governmental systems. Other things is communities, right? The interconnectedness between communities, natives, nowadays communities, how they interact, social networks. For structure and function of organizations, we can deal with world organizations like the UN, enterprises and roles within the organizations. Then when we address societal decision making, we can talk about leadership, collaborative work, team building. For economic activities and their impact on humankind and the environment, another thing we can address is the environment before and after new architecture or new companies that were built. Or the environment, for example, in metaverse. Another thing is the jobs today and in the past times, currency, for example, the Bitcoin. Now the challenge is to build a sentence that can actually put all of this together, but which focus is based on the concepts. So the two concepts that I chose for this one is causation and connection. So the phrase that can put everything together, relating the organizing theme and the two concepts that I chose, could be the way humankind creates connections varies according to the world's transitions. So what I do now is to add the context and the related concepts. So the final central idea is going to be the way humankind creates connections varies according to the world's transitions to solve problems.